The first step is to open Cetec ERP and search up the BOM you want to set a charge for. Type the BOM name. Click on the part. Click Maint Plus. Click Charges. Here you can set BOM charges. There are two types of BOM charges, Rollup on BOM and Add Line Item. Rollup on BOM pulls the charge into the main BOM and Add Line Item adds an extra line with the charge. For the Rollup on BOM charge, select Rollup on BOM and add a name. For Rollup on BOM you can only set a cost. Click Update, Add More. That charge has been added successfully. For the Add Line Item charge, select Add Line Item and add a name. Add a cost. Click Update, Add More. The Add Line Item option also allows you to add a resale. Click Update, Add More. You have now successfully added BOM charges. Now create a new quote. Click Sales. Click Quotes. Click New Quote. Add the part with the BOM charge to your quote. Click Add. Click into the BOM worksheet. This first example is a Rollup on BOM charge type. It will show up as a total on the Miscellaneous Charges Total column. Click Edit. Here you can see the Rollup charge that was added to the part record. Click Close. Scroll down and click Transfer to Quote. Back on the quote screen you can see the new cost. If you have an Add Line Item charge, it will show up also under Miscellaneous Charges Total. Here you can see your Add Line Item charge. Click Close. Scroll down and click Transfer to Quote. Back on the quote screen you can see the additional line has been added with the cost and resale. That's it, you're done.